Yeah, the topic is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So, what is the meaning of this? First, I will write a rule or equation. I will write, so then you will understand better. See, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay. See, whatever the rule I have written here or equation. See, here there is a equal sign. So because of this, we can call this as equation also. So this equation is called distributivity of multiplication over addition. First, addition means this one. So plus means what? Addition. So this is addition. So addition means this B plus C. Next, multiplication. Multiplication means what? Into this one. This is symbol of multiplication, correct? So into means multiplication. Okay. Okay, this is done. Next, distributivity. Distributivity means here multiplication is there. Here with the inside this bracket addition is there. Now we will distribute this A. Okay, like A into this is there now. So what we will do, we will distribute this A first with B. So A into B. So I have written here. After that is done, next this plus I will write here. Now A distributed with B, that is done. Next another C is there. So A into C. Okay. So this is called distributivity of multiplication over addition. Here into is there, A is there. So we are distributing this A with this multiplication over this addition plus. Got it? So this is the meaning of distributivity of multiplication over addition. I mean here into will be there, here addition will be there. We will distribute A with B and C like this. A into B first, next this plus, next we will distribute A with C like A into C, A into C. So that's why this is called, this equation is called distributivity of multiplication over addition. Got it right? Yeah. So now you understood. So which equation indicates distributivity of multiplication over addition? So answer is this equation. So whenever you see this, so just remember this is nothing but distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now next what we do, we will check this whether this property correct or not by taking different numbers. First, I will take example, you will understand. So where this is useful for multiplication. So one example, for example, minus 2 into 3 plus 5. So usually, normally, how we will solve this? See, without using this property, how we can solve this? Usually what we will do, that is equal to, what we will do, we will write this minus 2 first, next into, next we will add these two. 3 plus 5 is 8, then we will multiply. So 8 means your plus will be there. Okay, so minus into plus minus, 2 8 is 16. So minus 16. This is normal. This is what we generally do the multiplication. Okay, this is normal multiplication. Now we will see how to multiply this and this using this property. Okay, we will see that. So once again I will write this here, minus 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to, okay, now see, this is in the form of this, correct? See, in place of a, minus 2 into bracket, in place of b, 3 is there, plus, in place of c, 5 is there, bracket, correct? So you will definitely agree, this is in the form of this. Now this is equal to, how to simplify? See, according to this property is equal to a into b. Okay, so a, in place of a what we have, minus 2 into b, in place of b what we have, 3. So in place of b, 3 I will write, plus, next to a, so in place of a what we have, minus 2, that you will write here. For negative numbers, put bracket. Otherwise, some students may confuse, or some students may get wrong answer also. They may do some mistakes. Okay. Next to into, next c is there. So in place of c, what do we have? 5. So in place of c, 5 you write. Now, so we want to simplify this. Don't make any changes here. This is the given expression. We have to simplify this. You have to keep this as it is. Okay. So I will write this once again as it is. Minus 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to. Now we have to simplify this. So here nothing is there means plus is there. Okay. So minus into plus, so minus, so 2 into 3, 6. Next this plus. Next here just 5 is there. So nothing is there means here plus is there. You have to assume. So minus into plus, so minus, so 2 into 5 or 10. Okay. So minus is there, this is negative number, so put bracket. So next step, minus 6 write as it is. So bracket means it's like into. So plus into minus, okay, 10 you write as it is. Now what you have to do? Here 6, here 10, no? So this is minus 6 minus 10, no? Okay. If there are only pluses, plus symbols, so directly you will add the numbers because plus is there. Here minus is there. That too not 1 minus, so 2 minus are there. So now you will confuse what to do. Whether we need to add or subtract. So for that what you do? First to take this sign minus separately, it's like rough work. rough work. This minus I have taken here into this minus. So minus into minus what? Plus. Now plus means what? Addition. We have to add the numbers. Okay, that means add this 6 and 10. When you add 6 with 10, what you will get? It will be 16. Now we have to put sign here, either plus or minus. So which sign we have to put? Consider the bigger number. Which is bigger number, 10 or 6? 10, right? 10 is bigger than 6. So the sign in front of bigger number 10 is what? Minus, right? So this minus you have to put here. Okay. Now whatever is there, same thing you write once again. So minus 2 into 3 plus 5. Okay. See. See, the given expression is minus 2 into 3 plus 5. Using general or normal multiplication, we got minus 16. But using this property we solved here, we got minus 16. Okay. Answer is same. If you do normal multiplication also minus 16. When you use this property, a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. So by using this property also we got the same answer, minus 16. So that means what? That means what? This property is correct. We checked that, we verified that this property is correct. Okay. Next we will take a few more examples. I will take another example. So I will take another example. 5 into 4 plus 3. Okay. The first two, what we have to do, using normal multiplication, we have to check the answer. We have to find the answer using normal multiplication. So using normal multiplication, how we will do? First we will keep this 5 into asterisk. So next we will simplify this. So inside this bracket, whatever is there, we have to simplify that. So inside this bracket we have 4 plus 3, correct? So 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. Okay. Now we have to multiply 5 into 7. 5 7 is 35. Correct? So using normal multiplication, we got 35 when we simplified this one. Now we will check the same thing, same expression we will use, and we will find the answer using this property, this distributivity property we will use now. Okay, this is normal multiplication. I will write here. Now using this property, I will write that also, using property. First I will write the same thing, 5 into 4 plus 3 is equal to. So we have to use this property to find the answer now. So why we are doing all these things? To check whether this is correct or not. So see, you can see this is in the form of this, correct? So in place of A we have 5 into bracket, in place of B 4 plus in place of C 3. Okay, now using this property, A after is equal to, we have A into B. So A, in place of A 5 is there, so in place of A 5 into B, in place of B 4 is there, so in place of B write 4. Next plus A, in place of A 5, so in place of A write 5 into right. Next C, in place of C we have 3, so in place of C write 3. Now that is equal to 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, plus 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. Now 20 plus 15, that is 35. Okay, so write this as it is, 5 into 4 plus 3 is equal to this. See here, using normal multiplication we got 35. Using this property we got 35. Okay, we got the same answer. This answer is matching, both are same. That means what? This property is correct. The distributivity property is correct. So we checked it, we verified it. Okay. Next I will take another example. Okay. Next I will take in place of A I will take 8 I will take into bracket. In place of B I will take 2 plus in place of C I will take 9 is equal to, okay, now see, using this property we will find the answer later. First we have to do the normal multiplication. First we have to do the normal multiplication like how we have done before. Then we have to simplify this using this property. Then we have to check whether both answers are matching or not, like that. So first to use normal multiplication and find the answer. So first normal multiplication, I will write normal. Okay, so in normal multiplication what we will do, this 8 into we will write as it is. No, so inside this bracket whatever we have to simplify. So inside this bracket we have 2 plus 9. So 2 plus 9 is how much? It is 11. Okay, Now, 8 into 11, how much? 8 11s are 88. So using normal multiplication, we got this 88 as the answer. Now we will using this property. So using property, we will find the answer now. So first this expression write as it is. So 8 into 2 plus 9 is equal to, you can see this is in the form of this. Okay, so in place of A we have 8 into, in place of B 2 plus, in place of C we have 9. We are using this property to simplify. So after equal we have A into B. So A, so in place of A what we have, 8 is there. So in place of A you write 8 into B. In place of B we have 2. So in place of B write 2. Next plus A. In place of A we have 8. So in place of A you write 8 into next C. In place of C we have 9. So in place of C you write 9. Okay. Now 8 twos are 8 into 2 we write 16 plus you write as it is. Next 8 nines are 72 is equal to, plus is there, we have to add the 16 and 72. I will add here. First 16, next 72. So we have to add 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 7 8. So we got 88 right here. See, we got 88 as the answer. See, using normal multiplication we got the 88 as the answer. Using property also we got the same answer, 88. So this answer are matching, both are same answer. Now what does it mean? What does it mean? This property, since this answers are same, so this property, distributivity property is correct. This equation is correct. So we checked it, we verified this. Okay. Now I will take other one more example. So just give me 2 to 3 minutes break. Yeah, I'm back. I will take other one more example. So I will rub this. So any previous content, if you want to see, please move the video backward. Okay. In place of A, I will take no. Other example, 1000 into pi plus 3. No, pi plus 2 I will take is equal to. So this is the given expression. First we will simplify this using normal multiplication. So using normal multiplication, how we will calculate? First, write this 1000 into. Okay. Next, within the inside this bracket, whatever we have to simplify that. So inside this bracket we have pi plus 2. Pi plus 2 is how much? 7 is equal to. Now 1000 into 7, how much? 7000. Correct? Okay. So using normal multiplication, we got 7000 as the answer. Okay. Now to simplify this, we will use this property. So I will write using property. So using property, first whatever it is there, same thing I will write once again. 1000 into pi plus 2 is equal to. Now using this property, we are going to find the answer. We are going to simplify this. So now we can see this is in the form of this. Correct? So in place of A, 1000 is there, into in place of B, 5 is there, plus in place of C, 2 is there. Okay, so this is in the form of this. So using this property is equal to. Next we have A into B is there. So A, in place of A we have 1000. So in place of A, write 1000. Into next to B, in place of B we have 5. So in place of B, write 5. Next plus A. So in place of A, 1000. In place of A, write 1000. Into next C. In place of C, we have 2. So in place of C, write 2. Next is equal to 1000 into 5, that is 5000, plus 1000 into 2, that is 2000. Okay. Next, so plus means addition, we have to add. So 5000 plus 2000, we will get 7000. So I will write the same thing here. 1000 into 5 plus 2. See here. So 7000 is the answer. See, using normal multiplication, we got 7000 as the answer. Using this property also, we got the 7000 as the answer. That means this answer, same. That means both the answers are matching. That means what? This property is correct. We checked or we verified this property as correct using this normal multiplication and using this property. Okay. Okay. Now we will take negative numbers. Okay. We will take all negative numbers for A, B, C and we will check. Minus or minus 11 I will take into, so minus negative number, minus is there, this is negative number. For negative numbers you put bracket, okay, into minus 2 into minus 3. Okay, see, these are all negative numbers, minus 11, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so we have to simplify. First we will simplify this using normal multiplication, then we will simplify using this property. First to normal multiplication. So using normal multiplication, how we can simplify? So equal, write this minus 11 into as it is, and so within this bracket whatever we have, that we have to simplify. So within this bracket or inside this bracket we have this, we have to simplify this first. So here into is there multiplication. First multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 2 into 3 6. Okay. So into plus 2 signs are one beside of the other. It should not be like that. 2 signs should not present one beside of the other like this. So to avoid that, so use bracket for this, plus 6. Now into is there, first multiply the signs. Minus into plus, minus 11 into 6, 11 6 are 66. Okay, so we got We got minus 66 as answer using normal multiplication. Okay. Now we will simplify this using this property. So I will write using property. So first write this expression, given expression as it is. So minus 11 into, so minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to, so using property, this property we are using to simplify this now. You can see this is in the form of this. See, in place of A you have minus 11 into, in place of B we have minus 2. Sorry, a small mistake. This I should take plus. Okay, I should take plus. So then, okay. Yes, a little bit mistake, sorry. Yeah. So this I had taken into by mistake. Now I change this to plus and I will simplify this now. So this your normal multiplication. So minus 11 into right as it is. Next inside this bracket, this we have to simplify. Okay. So first write this minus 2. First this bracket. Then this minus 2. Now your bracket means into, plus into minus, minus 3. This bracket closed. Here into is there. Okay. That is equal to, so minus 11 into, you write next. So we have to identify whether to add or subtract. So minus is there, minus is there. So minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus means we have to add 2 and 3. 2 and 3 when we add we will get 5. So bigger number is 3 when compared with the 2. The sign in front of bigger number 3 is minus, that minus you write. So for negative number put bracket. So that is equal to, now into is there. So multiply the signs first. Minus into minus plus. So 11 into 5, 55. We got plus 55. So plus 55, just 55, both are same. You can erase this plus, no problem, because both are same. Even if you erase plus also, here there is plus sign, that is understood. Okay. So using normal multiplication we got 55 as the answer. Now we will simplify the same thing using this property. So I have written the headline already using property. Okay. So this is in the form of this. Okay. In place of A minus 11 is there, into, in place of B minus 2, plus, in place of C minus 3 is there. Okay, is equal to. So after is equal to, in the property we have A into B. So first A, in place of A we have minus 11. So in place of A write minus 11 into, next B, in place of B minus 2. So in place of B write minus 2. plus next a. So in place of a we have minus 11. So in place of a you write minus 11. Next into next c is there. In place of c we have minus 3. So in place of c you write minus 3. Now we need to simplify this. Okay. Is equal to. So into is there, we have to multiply. First multiply the signs. So minus into minus plus 11 into 2, 22. 11 to the 22. Next this plus. Next here consider these two. We have into is there, that means multiplication. We have to multiply this and this. So first multiply the signs. Minus into minus plus 11 into 3, 33. Here two signs are one beside of the other. It should not be like that. So we have to put bracket for this. Okay. Here only one number plus is there. After this plus here there is no number. So you can erase it. No problem. Here nothing is there means in front of 22 there is plus sign. Next write this 22. So bracket means multiplication into plus plus this 33 write as it is. So that is equal to. So plus means addition. We have to add the numbers 22 and 33. So what we will do? So write 22 plus 22 first. Next 33. Now we have to add 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 5. 2 plus 3 5. So we got 55. So write this 55 here. Okay. So write the same thing here once again. So minus 11 into minus 2 plus minus 3. Okay. So this is equal to this. So 55 is the answer. See, you can see using normal multiplication we got 55 as the answer. Using property, using this property we got 55 as the answer. Correct? So this answer is same. Both are same answers. So this answer both are matching. Correct? So that means what? That means this property is correct. We checked, we verified by using numbers for A, B, C that this property is correct. Okay? That's all. So what we done in this video, we took more and more examples, more and more different numbers for A, B and C, and we substituted those values in this property, that means distributive property, and we checked that this property is correct. We verified, we checked it. Okay. So I will just rub this out. I hope you understood this concept very well. I believe, I hope it. Yeah. Thank you, and if you like this video, click on subscribe and click like this video. Click on like button. Yeah, thank you.